Welcome to our new launch in the new financial year. We are excited to introduce a new Bluegrid portfolio valuation mobile app with unique and exciting features for viewing your portfolio. Let's begin the tour. This is your login page. Enter your username and password, which will be provided by us to access your portfolio. This is your home page where you can check what your net worth is, and by dropping this down, you can see the bifurcation of what assets, liabilities and insurance, if any, you hold. See how easily you can check the amount you have invested in mutual funds and what is its current value. Now, when you click on mutual fund, you can view what returns your portfolio has given. Also, you can see here the same details family-wise. Here you can see the mutual funds that you hold and their returns. Go inside, and in the drop down you can check the returns and also this wonderful chart where there is a comparison of the fund with its category. Scroll down for checking your transactions. There is a pie chart of the asset allocation where you can see how your portfolio is bifurcated and diversified. Click on portfolio growth and have a view of a graph of portfolio performance in a year. Here you can view your transactions of buy, sell, pending and fail. Click View More and check the investment in more detail. Scroll and check the top holdings, sectors and type of equity. In depth, check top holdings, credit ratings and instruments. Click on View More and check your ongoing SIPs. You can also upload your own CAS, that is Consolidated Account Statement, to view your portfolio outside of Bluegrid if you want. If you hold any other assets, then you can scroll right side and have a view. Similarly, you can click on the asset and check the detailed information. You can check all the assets here. You can do goal planning with us and check where you stand for achieving your goals. You can invest and plan accordingly for your future. Here you can again check the transactions. You can also explore other funds. In Goals section, you can check the details of the goals and what all funds you have allocated towards the goal. Click on the three dots and from here you can download the PDF of overview and summary of your mutual funds portfolio. You can check your profile and add any reports you want in Document Vault. So let's wrap up with this, and we hope you liked our new launch of investment app. If there are any queries, then you can reach out to us. Thank you for watching this video.